Two vice mayors in eastern China have been executed over bribery convictions. Xu Meiyong and Jiang Renjie from Hangzhou and Suzhou, respectively, were executed Tuesday morning on orders of the Supreme People's Court. Xu was accused of using his post to garner about $22 million in bribes for property development contracts, on top of other illicit activity. Jiang, too, was accused of taking kickbacks for real estate development projects. Both men had legal appeals rejected. They join a handful of other mid-level officials who have been caught for corruption and turned into examples. Though the higher one goes in the party hierarchy, the rarer such convictions are. China is one of the only countries where people are executed for white-collar crimes.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन इकराम। आज हम हाज़िर हैं मंगल वाले दिन का प्रोग्राम लेकर, जिसका मौजू है मैं